Ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog. And it's a fucking madhouse over here, good lord. Sweet Bajesus of Christ. Are you gonna go or no? Really? We're gonna go 1 mile per hour. What is going on here? And why can't I get ahead? Sweet bananas, sweet cookies and milk. People just don't particularly like going quick, you know? They don't particularly like getting places or something. I'm not exactly sure what it is going on, but look at this fucking guy. I don't know what is he doing. Yeah. Very much upset. Much upsettion. Very cranky. Poopy puppy. Poopy puppy. Haha. But yeah, anyway, end of work day on a Tuesday. I put in good 8 hours, and yeah, now I'm ready to chill the fuck out. And today is actually Two-Wheel Tuesday at Spiegel, so you know, pretty excited about that. Gonna go hang out with some moto fellas and hear classic riders momentarily. Well, not momentarily, I would say in about, you know, 2 hours, 3, 4 hours, who knows. I'm basically gonna show up there at 8. But meanwhile, I get to go home and I get to just take it easy for a little bit. And I don't know if I'm gonna work on any projects or if I'm gonna do anything exciting, but I think I'm just gonna chill. Why the fuck not? Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Gonna pull up to the front. Come on, baby. Look at this fucking person. Chilling. Taking it fucking slow. Amateur. A goddamn amateur. It's okay. We got a Harley on our back in full squid mode, so you know, not gonna try to do any crazy moves. Just gonna move carefully, casually. Take it easy. Totally fine. Oh, what a beautiful day. And I have like a stack of papers right now in my back protector, so that's kind of cool. Definitely gonna have to pass this guy. Gotta get ahead. There's nothing worse than going behind a slow person who is like can't commit to going slow, you know? They're just like, they can't tell. They can't tell what's happening, which is okay. And it's a Mother's Day this weekend, which is nice. I'm gonna spend the weekend with my mom. And it's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna go upstate, up to the Catskills, and you know, chill over there. Gonna ride. It's gonna be fun. here we are. After a little bit of splitting, we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna relax. I'm not sure what's going on here. The traffic is a little bit brutal, as always is. Plus it's hot. Plus I got like papers stuck in my back. But I always finish off this last little stretch here legally, because, you know, why not? These people don't really know how to drive because they're jerky perky. Because look, this motherfucker is gonna blend in. Terrible. Come on, minivan. Fucking go for it, bro. These people, I swear, driving is... It's 3 fucking lanes, you dumbasses. You dumb butts. You dumb butts. You freaking dumb butts. This guy is like what the fuck is happening? You don't know anything, do you? They don't know anything, these drivers. Yeah. So I don't know what to tell you. As far as vlogs go, this was a banana vlog. The Bajesus banana lady. You're not gonna make this light. Hurry. Hooligans, the whole goddamn lot of them. Anyway, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Thank you for watching another vlog. It's a weird one. It's straight up weird. Probably gonna record another one when I go to Manhattan, but for that one I think I'm gonna come up with a topic and not torture you guys with just weird shit. But you never know. I guess you're about to find out. I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.